In this video, we will discuss about how to create your AWS account and you can use your free tier of the AWS services. So let's start here. So type here AWS account. So now go on the create account AWS. So now click right here or you can go here. So the report way, click here, create an AWS account. So type your email address. So and you can give your AWS account name. It is up to you. So click on the verify email address. So one verification code will be sent on your registered Gmail ID. So come here and so this is the verification code. I'm copying here and go here, paste it and click on the verify. So now root user has been created. Set the password for the your root user. So give the some mix of the password. So suppose so I have set the passwords. Now click on the continue step 1 of 5. Save. So here was the contact information. So how do you plan for your WS business, for your work, school, other personal, for your own project? So because I'm creating for the personal, you can be and you choose you choose any, but I'm using personal and provide your full name. Suppose Rahul and provide your phone number and because I will blur this my mobile number, so you have to give provide your number and provide your country this and give the any address. I'm giving some random number. Is it not exact now? So Bangalore state. Provide your pin code. I have click on the that term and condition button. So now go here, continue to step 2 of 5. Now you can enter your credit information or the debit card information. So provide your CCV and so use my contact address. You have a PAN. It is optional. So you can go, but I'm not going for and verify and continue step 2 because your debit card or the credit card information will be verified from AWS end. So click on and verify and continue. So it will be to lend your what bank is there, and so provide your UTP for transaction. It will be detect 2 rupees, and after some moment, I think 24 hour or 48 hour, they will also revert your money to rupees. So provide your OTP. So now you have to confirm your identity. So how should we send the verification code? So you can choose text message or voice call. So I'm choosing text, and provide the country. So I'm choosing my India. I provide your register number, mobile number, and give here no security check. And the SMS will become as your registered mobile number. Okay. So now enter your verification code. You will get on your register mobile ID, register mobile. So it might be that you will not get the verification code within the some seconds. So you have to wait at 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes because it is saying that sometimes take up to 10 minutes to try verification code. If it has been longer than that, return to the previous phase. So let's wait 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. So actually now I got the verification code. So continue. So means what kind of the support you will be opting for? So here I'm choosing basic support, so free. So click on that complete sign up. Okay, congratulations. Thank you for signing up for the AWS. So now we have successfully created our AWS account. Now we can go to the AWS management console. So it will be asked again to sign your account. So sign into the console. Root user, provide your the email ID. Okay, next. Okay, so now we have successfully created our account, AWS account. Now we can go. So here the other means this is our so you have set up your AWS account, Rahul AWS, and currently the region is selected Tokyo, and you can select what you like, and so that's all this, and this is the AWS console. Later we will explore some AWS service like S3, Lambda, and step function, and like Glue and the EMR, how to set up EMR cluster. So thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.